Apple made another slick-looking phone, but does it actually solve real problems? Today we are talking about the hidden problems of the iPhone 17 and why design alone doesn't fix them. I watched Apple's event, read the first round of reviews and forums so you don't have to. Let's cut through the marketing and look at the real issues people are actually seeing. First, even the prettiest hardware still relies on software. Since iOS 18-ish updates launched, multiple users have reported faster battery drain and heat under normal use. Things like background activity, Bluetooth or radio stacks can spike power draw and make phones warm. Second, repairability. Industry experts and repair shops warn that Apple's designs keep getting harder to open and fix. More glued modules, dense multi-layer boards, and parts that require specialized tools. That raises repair costs and repair times, and it hurts longevity. Third, connectivity. There are rumors and early teardowns pointing to antenna rearrangements around the camera module, which can change signal behavior. And in the past, antenna chains have led to mixed results for call and Wi-Fi stability. People are also asking, is this really worth the upgrade? Online communities are debating material choices and price. When hardware tweaks feel cosmetic, but core pain points, battery, heat, repairability, remain. Many users feel less enthusiastic about paying top dollar. Apple publishes durability tests, but analysts point out that durability and repairability don't always align. A phone can be tough and still be impossible or expensive to fix, which matters for long-term ownership and sustainability. If you're thinking about buying, wait for extended reviews and real-world tests focused on battery and thermal behavior. Keep an eye on repairability reports if you want to keep the phone for more than 3 years. Design matters, but it's not everything. For most people, software stability, battery, and repair options ultimately shape the user experience. If Apple fixes the bugs and eases repairs, the iPhone 17 could be great. Until then, buyer caution is wise. So guys, if you just enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button, like the video and share it. And don't forget to watch these videos on the screen.